Alright, next issue with the Boxster is when you close the convertible top actually comes, or the cloth piece I should say, actually ends up being on the outside of this plastic trim. It's supposed to be on the inside, and this causes the metal cable to cut through the rubber seal, and it does it on both sides. See, this one's starting to do it on this side as well. Alright, I'm going to open the convertible top to the halfway open position. So this is the halfway position. The reason why this comes out is because there is a little flap inside. It's supposed to be elastic, and it causes tension and pulls on this to go in, so that when it closes, the cable is on the inside of this trim. Same thing with the other side. This tension on the inside, can't really see it, but I'll show you later. It's going to push that in so that when it closes, that goes on the inside, not on the outside. So what you want to do is open it a little bit more to about 3/4. Right about there. Now we can get a much better look. So that's this cloth piece right here that pulls in from the convertible cloth, so that this rubber seal goes on the inside, not on the outside. Unfortunately, as these cars get older, the seal, or sorry, the elastic thing is no longer elastic. What you have to do is you have to peel off these Velcro straps. And these Velcro straps release the inner liner so that you can access. Let's see here. There we go. Now if you look inside, you'll be able to see this cloth piece right here. So what you do is you're going to fold this over. Like so. And then you're going to take a staple and staple this into that. It's basically something like that. I'm just going to get one staple on just so that I can show you this on video, and I'll make a bunch more. So that's one staple on. I'm just going to staple it probably 5 or 6 more times. So it just so happens I have self-adhesive leather repair, which I just used in a previous video, or maybe the next video, I don't know, depends on when I upload it, to fix the leather that was peeling off on the corner here. So I'm going to cut a little strip. This stuff is a little bit elasticy, but the adhesive in the back is quite strong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around the staples so they don't come back out again. Hopefully that'll hold. I'm going to do the same with the other side as well. Same thing, release the Velcro. It's easier with 2 hands. There's one. There's the other. Now the inner liner is out of the way. We can take a look. There it is. I'm going to remove those staples and put new ones in and wrap the final leather thingy around it. There it is, taped up, stapled. And I'm going to put the Velcro back on. Pretty self-explanatory. I'll do that for the other side too. There we go, this side is done. Start her up, close the top, and see what happens. it is, you can see it. Went on the inside. There you have it.